Welcome to the Success Off video. We're going to be testing this Glock TM Glock g18c, which has a gas blowback, which has got a new top slide installed because the previous one was cracked. This top slide is from Raven, and it's full metal, and I've put a 9-ball lightweight blowback in there to unit to compensate for obviously the weight difference, and a 9-ball gas root seal in there for hopefully a better seal. Yeah, we're now ready to test. This has been quite a lot of work to get this on here. Probably not something I'm ever going to do again, quite frankly. Just the amount of time it can take getting these gas blowbacks shooting correctly once you fiddle with them. It's yeah, I'm not a huge fan, so yeah, it's we're just going to test it now just to demonstrate it working.